My deepest gratitude to all of you. And today's topic my is every day, every life sessions are mm, told one thing repeated every day, sir. 1% increase in a daily basis, like improve 1% more every day. That's I strongly and firmly believe in this principle. Micro change for macro transformation, micro increment for macro transformation. And let's talk about my school life. My school life is not very but interesting, for funniest, only for funniest, because I studies in 1 to 5 play school types, only one class, only 5 and 6 students. And that's a small schools, all over the school are only 40 student, and 1 to 5 class, and one class only 5 and 6 student. And that's not this type of I think at the present time mmdc club are all members are good schooling, good school, college life entire. uh, I know my schooling is very interesting, but funniest type. uh, and 1 to 5 and 6 to 8 I government school student, and that's enjoying lots more, or attending class, and sometimes a teacher are not came to teach. That time we playing cards, we playing kancha in rooms, we playing any other activities in classroom, not for learning. And my college life, I entire my college life in Kasi Sahu College Saraikela, had just not compulsory attending class. That's why my 6 year college life I attend only 6 class. I have never listened and a lecturer of for lecture lectures in this college life, not enough lectures. And first time I got fail in 12th exam. That's fail changed my entire life. That why I am, that's day I think in improving in as in this sector. And and that's I fail in intermediate. That's changed my entire journey in future. And after failed I after I failed in my first attempt in 12th examination. After that I write daily habit journals in Hindi that time. And that time 2013 in last I write in my diary a, a after 10 year I have changed my entire scenario. That's very difficult to me, because I have average below student that time. And my school life, I have board exam I have only got 58.6%. And my 12th exam I only got first time I fail, and second time I've got only 53.6%. And my graduation completed at only 61.5%. After completing my graduation, and my thinking and uh, to join any other um, preparation like SSC, railway, and any other government exam like bankings. That time I joined Sriman classes. But after completing my graduation I do not read properly in English. That's a difficult task to me for. But one interesting thing in that times, after completing my board exam, English is out of the syllabus of my entire college life, even not a extra subject, because I have a fear of English. And I got only 40 plus marks in a 10th exam, and that's fear. Or I uh, my whole entire college life I do not read English language, and because of fear of English. But in the I after completing graduation I thought uh, I am a I preparing for banking, that English is compulsory. That that I think इंग्लिश से कब तक पीछा छोड़ेगा, इंग्लिश से कब तक भागेंगे, ये तो हमेशा भगाते रहेगा. दैट टाइम टू टेक इन इंग्लिश, that's change the whole scenario. And one of my best friends support me to preparing in English, and my 2 and 3 exam I attempt in a Hindi language. And that time my whole class attempt in a English question, and I read only one student to attempting in a question in a Hindi language. That time one of my good friends came to me and told, you also try to English language, and you also able it to answer the question. And that's a good thing. The whole entire our journey are good. I know my writing skill is not good because I have not lots of input in my mind, because I have not read enough books in English language. I know my English speaking is also not good, because my sentence are wrong. Yesterday I talked with my one friend. They are also getting job in banking, and I talked with that time is he laughed. I am speaking English, because he says me, and your all sentence are wrong. That time I thinking, and you called me mate, that's I accepted it. I am made, but at the present time I am speaking English. That's a good thing. I know I am not. My English is not good because of lack of practice. Practice as a man perfect, and one day I become a perfect speaker of a speaking English, and I have good also writing skills. And let's and today's end the video. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you.